Hey everyone, quick update here. All of the R videos are going to its own dedicated channel. You'll see the link in the description below. I had to separate out the R videos because that doesn't quite fit the genre of this channel. This channel is all about creativity, creating online content, how to teach, how to market the teaching skills so that you can make money online. The technology used to do that. Some Final Cut Pro tips, video editing tips, things like that. So the R is in its own dedicated channel, and I have a third channel called HumanPeeves, and that'll be linked below as well. And that's where I can talk about anything at all about anything in life. Typically, it's going to be life in your 30s, and there's going to be no holding back on that channel. So check that out too if you get bored of this one. That's it. Just wanted to update you on what's going on with the R videos and my HumanPeeves videos. Also, don't worry about subscribing. Just watch more videos.